Heidi ho, all my little YouTubers, how you all doing? I got text, well not a text, a message from Focus Wedding. Wanted to know if I could do toe rings. Well, I have never done a toe ring, but at the end of the day, it's a ring. Well, they're going to be very small. This is a Finnish 10-penny. It's very, very small. So let's give it a go. I mean, a ring's a ring. I think I looked on the interweb. I think that's saying a size 6, size 4, 5, 6 is about right. On one website I was reading, they said if you can't measure it, your foot size and then half it. I mean, what? Yeah. Sounds like fun, doesn't it? I'm using a 3/8 punch again, smallest punch I've got. Let's go over to Big Bertha and make a hole in it. This is a 20-ton hydraulic press. I mean, this might be too small, I don't know. But like I say, if you don't try, you're never going to know. Yeah, I never thought about toe rings. Be something for the ladies, wouldn't it? Or the guys, if you're that way inclined. Not my idea of fun, but there you go. Right, let's clean it up. I'm going to clean up that inside edge a bit. Yeah, this is a Finnish, old Finnish 10-penny coin. Before they went to the sad euro. You just want to make sure there's no cracks forming, or, you know. I've said it 100 times. I'd like to thank my latest subscribers as well for hitting that subscribe button. Thank you very much. If you're looking for a custom ring, I can do it for you. You can even send me your own coins, and I'll happily turn it into a ring for you. And beer. Beer. You're looking for that ring? That 2 shillings, yeah? Well, I had a look. There's no 1969 2 bobs. They don't exist. Now, if you want, I can resize that one for you, or... Oh, shit. Or... I'm not going to find that again. Probably not. Yes. Or how about I make you one? I can find one of my 2 bobs with the best relief I've got, and I'll make it for you. Have a think, let me know. You can either have that one, or I'll make you one live. Yeah, I will be live very, very soon. My girlfriend's now got the dreaded cold off me. I've still got it, but it's not as bad. Right, let's show this a bit of love. I could use a slightly larger punch, and then you'd have less of a band. It wouldn't be so wide, but let's see if we can get it to a decent sort of size. Oh God, I need to fill up my little cup. I still haven't started tidying up my table. I just don't feel like I've got no energy at all. Right, now I need a small die. Bit too big, bit too small, I should have said. This is my next size, so well, this is just for fun really. So Yeah, we'll go for that side, face down. I can't press this too much because it's going to fall out. Right, let's go with a big red and give it a bit of the old one too. Will it fit in here now? No. Can we go a bit more on this one? No, I think it's at the limit. We probably can. Go a bit on this one. Yeah, sorry, that should go. This might work. I have done the Old English tanner, or sixpence. That's about the same size, and it's silvery looking. There you go. Right, let's, have we got Sandy around anymore? No, but we've got one of these. This is just an emery board. I don't know what you call them in the States. Like a fingernail board or... There you go, it's nice and clean. No cracks forming. Right, will this fit over? I think it will. Spike. Right. I'll just use right, what we got? Is it going to fit? No, it's not. You bugger. See, this is the trouble. Oh. Come on. Come off. No, go on this way. Come on, baby. I can't. That's not going to go anymore, is it? I don't think. No, that's the limit. If I can just get it started, would be nice. I'm just hitting this down the mandrel a bit, see if I can get it a little bit bigger. Right, will it fit now? You little bugger. Something happened. Yes, we're in business. Okay. What we got? Well, I think toe rings are quite possible to make, don't you? And what size we got, just out of interest? I was reading sort of size 6 and smaller. Well, now would that be a size 6? I mean, bloody hell, that's tiny. And they also said your small finger is similar to your toe, but I don't believe that neither. But on the American mandrill, at the moment, this is a size 4 1/4. So I won't try it on one of my toes for you, even though I have got absolutely gorgeous feet. Oh dear. Right, there you go. Now let's straighten up the walls. Let's see what we've got. So, Beer, have a think, man. I'll happily make you one, or you can have that one. Some white, maybe a little bit more. So yeah, I can make toe rings. Maybe a touch more. But with my eye, that don't look too bad. What's the inside like? It's got the usual lip on the inside where you want to cut it out. Otherwise it's going to make your toe uncomfortable to wear it. I think if I made another one, I'd use a slightly bigger punch. But yeah, if there's any ladies out there looking for a toe ring, you can send me, but they've got to be small coins though, you know. But I have lots and lots of tiny coins that I haven't used because they're no good for me. Like I say, if you're looking for a custom ring, I'll have to make you one. I've got loads of coins. You can send me your own. You can ask me if I've got a certain coin and I can have a check. I've got a load of 50p's. I mean, they won't make toe rings, but I mean, in this jar alone, I've got loads of tiny coins. That's an English sixpence. I mean, that would make a nice toe ring. So, yeah. The French coin. 10 centimes. I've made rings out of this, but that would make a nice toe ring. So, have a think. If any of you girls out there, or any of you guys got a lady that wears toe rings and you'd like something a bit different for her. Right, let's clean it up. Let's whacking Kate Bush. Get more power, more power. And I dare say ladies would like them polished. So let's take out the lady and put in Felton John. Give this a little bit of a polish. And I also, ladies, if you're watching, I also, oh, here we go. I also clear coat them, so that'll be the same sort of price as a ring. Well, it is a ring at the end of the day. 28 euros. Unless you want a silver one, you know, solid silver, then obviously it's more. Right, what we got? What have we got? I'll see if this will fit my girlfriend after I've done this. She says nobody wears toe rings anymore, but believe it or not, when I work in the summer on the market, I see quite a lot of women with, or women, young girls, or young, you know, younger than me obviously, because I was born in 1732, and I feel a lot older than that at the moment. That was a good year, 1732. I used to get a piece of coal and an apple for Christmas. Yeah. Right. There you go, folks. 1 10-penny coin ring. It's even got the date on it. 1972. There you go. What size did we get? Well, EU size, because that's it's a size 48. UK size, it's a I.5, and the good old US of A is a size 4.5. No, yeah, 4.5. I don't think it'll fit that finger, will it? No, only just. Thanks a lot, and beer, have a think, mate, let me know. Tell me bye-bye, see you tomorrow. Have a good day.